Hi everybody, my name is John P. Blanco, and today I will be playing and show you how to get debug mode in Sonic 1. The reason why I'm doing this again is because last time I had no sound, so this time I'm going to do this again. So first you gotta do, so like earlier, oh come on, it's breakfast time, I'm sorry, did for a while.
Guys,
Yeah.
I told you I should be quiet, the people are sleeping.
So anyways, I'm gonna go and you gotta go in no save, pick any character. I'm gonna pick Sonic. Now you just gotta pick the logo. When you hear that little ring sound, that means you did it correctly. You put both of your thumbs on there. Then when you do it right, you'll be in here like earlier. But then, so look at debug mode. Just like a little thing. You just stick at debug mode. It's easy. You put in 199 100 and maybe I don't remember much it sounds like. Then you put in 6, then and I think I did it correctly. I don't know. So then to get this, put on 7, get all the chaos symbols. Then put in, and then put 4, 1, 2, and then 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 6. Now I'm gonna do this again. 1, 9, 9. 1, 0, 6, 2, 3. I did it right. So then you go in every map. Then you just now you press the one with the 0 right there. Then you press continue. I know there's gonna be an ad. I hate that one. Then usually just cut it. About everything was real. F Mario, you can put anything you want. And the X button means supersonic, so we'll try it. Then when you're done doing the round, then you gotta jump and press, hold up, and then become supersonic. You cannot turn this off unless you want around ring. I'm not. You can hear barely because this. And bam, that was easy. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy this video. If you found it useful, and see you later. Bye.